Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. A lot of people ask me that how you can fix the can't download the software when you installing the command line tools on macOS. As you can see, I'm trying to install Homebrew app for my macOS and it's required me to install the command line tools. So I do like this, I copy this code and I paste to the macOS terminal to install the command line tools. And when you try to install it, you will have the problems that you can't download the software. So how you can fix this, I will show you very quick in this video. You need to do like me. You will go to Google and you search command line tool Mac download, and you can see we have Apple developer over here. You will choose this one and you will scroll all the way down. It's not the Xcode application over here. You need to download the command line tool, the old version of Xcode. So you will choose view download over here. Now you need to sign in to Apple developer. Okay, you can see here we have command line tools for Xcode 26 release. So you view details and you download this one. Okay, you need to wait for this downloading finish and you can install command line tools normally. Now you need to run the command line tool installation file. Now you will run this package over here, continue, and I agree. You will enter the password. Now the command line tools will install to your macOS. Okay, now you finally install the command line tools for your macOS, and now you can close this one. You can come back to the Homebrew installer and try to install again. Now you can install the Homebrew normally without requirement of the CLT tools. That's all my videos. If my videos helpful, please give me a like and subscribe and drop a comment below if you want to ask me anything. I will see you in my next videos.